Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended a tad lower on Thursday after industrial output data for the month of June disappointed, raising concerns of prolonged growth slowdown. The Sensex was down 0.2% or 50 points to close at 17,561 and the Nifty was down 15 points to end at 5,323. For the month of June, the industrial output contracted by 1.8%, sharply lower than expansion of 2.5% reported for the month of April. The IIP data was below economist expectations of 0.8% growth. The slump in the IIP activity was mainly because of contraction in manufacturing and capital goods activity. Citi, in a recent note, said that the recent IIP data increases the case of a sub 5% GDP growth for the first quarter of this financial year. Earlier in the day, Moody's cut India's growth forecast to 5.5% for FY13, in line with other brokerage estimates. Amongst individual stocks, Bharti Airtel slumped for the second consecutive day, down 6.4% after banks such as Goldman Sachs and Standard Chartered downgraded the stock. The stock is down around 12.6% in the last two trading sessions. Amongst the other stocks, Ranbaxy plunged 2.6% after first quarter results disappointed. It reported a net loss on back of forex losses, although there was a rise in sales. Amongst the other stocks, Tata Motors plunged 0.9% after it reported a 12% net profit growth for the first quarter. This was lower than analyst estimates. The growth was tad lower because the margins at Jaguar Land Rover unit fell and profit in the domestic business nearly halved. Amongst the other stocks, top gainers on the Sensex was Sterlite Industries, up 3.4%. Mahindra & Mahindra was up 2.9% for the second consecutive day after it reported better than expected results on Thursday. Tata Power gained 2.6%. The top losers on the Sensex were State Bank of India, down 4.3%, HDFC plunged 3.6%, and Reliance Industries declined 1.3%. After market hours today, there were reports that Competition Commission of India is investigating anti-competitive practices by car makers. Hence, car makers may be in focus tomorrow in the trade. That is all for today. Do log on to livemint.com to get more updates.